The puppies are now 7.5 weeks old. Big brother, or White Spot as we call him, is only half an hour older than second brother, Nemo. But the two brothers are very different in size, looks, and especially personality. White Spot is never afraid of fighting and taking risks, but Nemo likes to play alone and safely. When there is a conflict between the two brothers, Mother Oreo knows who the troublemaker is. Their relationships with Oreo are also different. Nemo never challenges his mom, while White Spot enjoys provoking his mom and siblings.
Nobody wants to sit with me.
It is amazing that nature creates such diversity even among brothers.